Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this pink sapphire stone inspired nail art design. It is so much easier than I ever expected and really quick to come together, so I'm so excited. Let's get right into it. So first up, let's go over what you're going to need. First up, you obviously are going to need some Sharpies. I used a light pink and a magenta-like pink Sharpie, which you guys are seeing now. Then you're going to need a plastic bag of some sort. For this, we are actually going to scribble on the Sharpies right next to each other, and then we are going to use the rubbing alcohol, which you want about a 91% rubbing alcohol, otherwise this isn't going to work that great, and a brush that you don't care if it is stained, and you are going to dab that onto the Sharpie here and use that as what you're going to put on your nails. So for your nails, you want to start off with a white base that has a quick dry top coat on. You want it to 100% dry, and then that's when you get to start putting on the Sharpie and the rubbing alcohol. So as you can see earlier, I just dipped the wet brush into the Sharpie, and that is what has almost turned it into like a watercolor wash, which is really cool. But as I apply it to the nail and I add more alcohol to the brush, it creates like little, I want to say cells kind of. So it pulls the Sharpie pigment in different directions and it just layers on the colors really nicely. You could totally do this with like a gray and you would really get a neat marble, like real countertop marble like look, and it is just really neat. So you can continue doing this until you're like happy with it, because as you can see, as I add more alcohol or take away alcohol from the nails with like a dry brush, it just keeps changing the nails, and it gives you like full creative freedom, because even if the Sharpie starts to dry, as soon as you put the alcohol on it, it is going to activate it again and it just create a really neat look. So here is a look at all of the nails, and I'm just going back in and adding a few spots where you can really see how it contrasts by adding more alcohol to it. It is just super neat and super fun. After this, like, you could stop here and be done if you want. You could just let this dry and put on a top coat of your choice. But if you want to take it to the next level, I was looking at the pink sapphires whenever they were not tumbled yet. They weren't yet tumbled, meaning they weren't turned into a gemstone or anything yet. They were just a straight up rock. I saw that some of them even had like little specks of gold. So similarly to what you would do with a marbled manicure, like the white and gray marble manicure, I decided I would go in with some gold and put in some little gold stripes here and there. Very organic like shapes, not majorly like straight or anything, just here and there and all over. And after that is done and you've done it in all of your nails and you're really happy about it, you can then put on your favorite top coat, and that is it. Like I said, this was like a super easy, simple design, and I love how it looked. I was so not expecting it to come out as good as it did. So I was very pleased with this little experiment, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you, and I hope you guys have liked it. I feel like this is going to make a great fun Valentine's look, or really just any season, because who doesn't want to have these really fun bright pink nails on? So that is it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another new nail art video, and actually a swatch video as well. Bye!